Welcome back to Good Germs Off-Road Adventures. Today, storage box, Polaris style. Today we're going to install the Polaris lock and ride rear cargo box on our 2022 Polaris Sportsman 570 Trail Edition. Now I really don't think it matters which Polaris 570 you're installing this in. It should work on all of them, but do note there is a specific part number for this year model, 2021 and 2022 and above. It is, let's find the model number, part number 2884853. Now I know that's what it is because I can read it. You can't read it, but I'll show it to you, in a minute. Let's get it opened up. Okay. Yep. Okay. Oof. Dang it. Oh, nope. Oh. Yep. Okay. What do we have? We have a big box. And it just smells like fresh plastic. Okay. We're just going to set this here, and then we're going to bring you around to the back side. We'll open it up and see what's inside. So after about a 47-point turnaround, we're now looking at the back end of the quad, ATV, four-wheeler. I don't know where you're from. What do you call it? Is it an ATV? Is it a quad? Is it a four-wheeler? I don't know. Put it in the comments. I'm from California, so we just call it quad. But you can see it looks like it's going to fit quite nice. So let's open it up and see if there's any, installation things, instructions, or whatever in here. Smells like fresh lemon soap. No, it just smells like plastic. So we've got some instructions that are in a very thick plastic bag, so we're going to have to open this up with a knife. But one thing I've noticed right away is we've got a storage tray right here. That would be good for things like first aid kits or whatever else you want to stick here. That's pretty nice. Let's get a knife and open this thing up. Yep. All right. Here are some instructions. Rear storage. What else? This looks like a lock and ride storage anchor. And this looks like a lock and ride storage anchor. This is a lock and ride storage anchor. And what is this, do you think? This is also a lock and ride storage anchor. I didn't think we would see 4 of them, but there we go. 4 of those. So we've read the instructions on this, and installation should be pretty simple. It comes with 4 of these anchors. The holes are pre-drilled. Well, are they? There's 1, 2. Oh, yeah. The holes are pre-drilled, so you don't have to worry about that. You just disassemble this a little bit, put it together according to the instructions. We'll show you what that looks like, and we'll go from there. I just noticed, and this was not in the instructions, but all the warning labels and the laws say, do not ever consume alcohol while driving any motor vehicle. And I have to agree with that. However, if they really meant it, would they put bottle openers? And not just 1, guys. 2. You get 2 bottle openers. I want to show you a little feature I just learned by reading the owner's manual. See this little hole right here? if you're installing anything, even this, you can put a padlock through that, and then, can't open it. It's on there. That's a pretty handy feature, Polaris. I like that. I'm sorry, too much fun. All right, so let's go ahead and work on these. It says to take this apart. So you've got several components. You have the actual cam, twisty, locky thing, a plastic washer goes on. You have a plastic bushing, a rubber bushing, a silver washer, and a nylon nut, which I may have mentioned before. Polaris likes to be exceedingly inconsistent with their sizes of things. A lot of the parts we've installed have had metric sizes for the different nuts and bolts. Even on the factory nuts and bolts on the quad, I've seen a lot of metric so far. However, that's 1/2 inch, guys. So apparently this part may be made somewhere in North America instead of, over the pond. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to get back in here. So you're going to take it apart. You want the lever bit, plastic washer, goes through the hole from the top, and then on the bottom, plastic bushing. Don't drop it now. Whoops, dang it. Well, I'm going to have to be right back with you on that because I've dropped it. And now it's, potentially lost. How do I get that back out of that hole? I don't know. We're going to try this again. Where were we? Locky doohickey, plastic washer bit, inside through the hole, plastic spacer. I'm going to hang on to it this time. Maybe put a little, there we go. Rubber spacer bushing doohickey, washer, and, let's see, how can I hang on to all this? I need a third hand. Can I just get it just a quarter turn on there we go. All right, we're just going to run that, finger tight. So when you lock this, what happens is when you push the lock down, it basically squeezes this, makes it a little bigger, sticks in this hole here, locks it in. The manual does not say how tight to make it. It says to desired tightness. So I don't know what that means, but, we'll adjust on it after we're done. But I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3. You can watch, you can tune to another channel. I'll be back. You see all the scrapes on here? No, it didn't come that way. Yeah, I dropped it. Anyway, let's just let's turn it at least so to start with, the bolt just kind of pokes out of the, see how that squishes up? I just want to at least get it so the bolt comes out. Just maybe a thread showing for now. If you're interested in buying said wrenches with ratchets, they're available at any store that carries them. Well, where's the, give it a more, just a how you doing more. Yeah, and just a thread. That's all I want for now. Just a thread. Okay. And lastly, this one. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, let's give that a try. Let's see how snug and tidy that is. Well, that's nice. It lines up. That's always a good thing. So, let's see. Oh, that's difficult. Good. Ow! I'd say we're probably tight enough here, guys and gals. Well, that's pretty solid. Well, that looks nifty. Good solid. That's nice. Oh, your bottle opener doubles as a padlocker upper doodad there. All right. Well, let's bring it around and have a look at it. Well, after yet another 87-point turnaround, let's have a look. Mm-hmm. Lovely. I'm not going to lie, this box does look good. Yep. Open. 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 Beer bottle opener, or just other bottle opener. Another bottle opener. Handy storage tray. Lock and ride. Nice and solid. Shut it. Yes. Yes. And as promised, there's your part number, 288-4853. That'll do it for this episode. Next time you see us, hopefully we'll be out in the desert. We'll be testing on the new machines. We'll let you know what we think. We'll let you know what we like, what we don't like. As you can tell, we're a bit of a Polaris family. I myself am a bit of a Polaris fanboy, as you can see by this picture. Our entire fleet at the moment. Anyway, this is Jezza. Until next time, thank you and ride safe.